Okay, so we're in Sun Park, and I'm gonna do a whole video about it, and I'll let you see what's all around here in a minute. It's also a Sunday today too, so that'll give you some context to what you're gonna see. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are in Sun Park. We have people that are exercising, people that are doing hula hoops. We got a nice fountain here, and we have some hotels over here. There's kind of like information center right there. So this is I don't know, let's see what it is. I think I've looked in here before. Not sure what it is exactly. It's a reading room, so you can read newspapers and do things like that there. Okay, so let's walk around and explore. We have some kind of bright sun on this side, so I think we're gonna go around the other side. And we also have some artwork over here too that I want to capture. And there's a playground right there. That's our little reading room. This one you can put your feet on, take your shoes off, like this. Feels really good. And then this one, there's some artwork. So got kind of this cool little one right there. This is king with the cigarettes, 3 cigarettes. So a little bit artwork there. There's a little bit of artwork everywhere in this area. So let's go check it out. Exercise equipment as well. And then it's a Sunday, so there's a lot of Filipina on a Sunday, but a little bit of everybody as well. So we're just gonna walk straight down our park and just kind of see what's all going on around here. And I think we're gonna do a whole loop just specifically on the park, but you have all these seats that you can sit in, like this one. Then you have some restaurants. Hey, the Vietnamese restaurant's open. This one was closed for a while. I thought the owner maybe was caught out because of COVID, but it's actually open again. Let's just walk over and take a look. But this one has some really good Vietnamese food. These baguettes, that looks really good too. Actually, all of it looks good. So nice Portuguese tiles. So let's continue on with the park. On the other side of the park is an opium museum, so I'm kind of hoping that that's open and then I can bring a camera in there. I don't know if it's possible. But that yellow building on the other side. So we're gonna walk around here, and then you can see it in a moment as well. Not too far from here is kind of a nice it's a nice we didn't walk all the way down, but right all the way down here there's kind of like a little waterfront, and then it's kind of follows this way, so it's kind of like a little shipping area. It's kind of cool actually. So, okay, it's a bit bright. You can see the Zhuhai kind of to the distance. So let's keep following this way a little bit. Macau Masters Hotel, that's the first place that I've ever stayed in Macau when I first visited. So here's our more of our park. And right here is a opium museum. So later we're gonna see if that's open or not. So this yellow one is Opium Museum right on that side. I hope it's open. And then we got Sun Hotel. I'm gonna do a separate video for somebody later about that one. And you got some pretty cool artwork right there as well. Let me just see. We're just gonna walk down this way. So here we got some really nice artwork. Go. So it's kind of pretty cool. So they changed some of the painting here. So this is kind of one that's maybe been here for the last few months, I think. Then behind it, there's usually more artwork as well. So let's just take a look real quick. We're gonna do a separate video as well. But this one right here has a lot of artwork behind it. Pretty cool. Actually, I was gonna make a separate video for it, but it's so cool. Anyways, let's go back. We're gonna focus on the park for this one, and we're gonna do a separate video with Sun Hotel and the artwork. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Okay. So we're gonna complete it in a minute. Square Portuguese restaurant, okay. So let's just come back up here. Then we're gonna end it. And we're gonna do another video all about Hotel Sun. Cool artwork. And let's finish it up here. So there we go. Sun Park.
Toma cuidado, la